In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to your Squarespace site. Adding unique fonts to your Squarespace website is a great way to align your branding and ensure that your site stands out visually. Let's dive in and learn how to do it step by step. The first thing you'll need to do in your Squarespace dashboard is navigate to the Design section and locate Custom CSS. This is where we will define our custom font and integrate it into your website style. Once you're there, scroll down to the very bottom where you'll find an option labeled Manage Custom Files. Click that, which will open a window to manage your site's asset files. Next, you'll see an option to add images or fonts. Click this button as it allows you to upload the font files that you wish to use. There are several accepted formats for fonts you can upload, such as .wf and .wf. Be sure to have your font files ready in one of these formats for smooth uploading. After successfully uploading your font, the next essential step is to define the font with CSS. In this part, you need to apply CSS code that will tell your site how to use the newly uploaded font. Typically, this involves using the @fontface rule to specify the font family and the source of the font file. Make sure your syntax is correct to prevent any issues. You can reference Squarespace's documentation or online resources if you need a little guidance on the exact code structure. Now move on to Squarespace's main menu again, and this time click on Search followed by Site Styles. This area allows you to adjust various design components of your website. Within the site styles, you'll want to find and click on the Fonts section. Here, it gets interesting. The next step is to focus on the assignment icon, which is key for applying your new font across different areas of your site. You will now see various options for font formats, such as headings, paragraphs, or buttons. Decide where you want to apply your new custom font, and in the Font drop-down menu, find and select it. This option lets you use your custom font precisely where you feel it will make the most visual impact on your site. Finally, when you are satisfied with the changes you made, don't forget to click Save. This action will apply all your adjustments and upload your custom fonts to your Squarespace site. Always save your work to avoid the frustration of losing your progress. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully enhanced your Squarespace website by adding custom fonts, allowing you to create a more personalized and visually appealing online presence. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more web design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy customizing.